Welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will be discussing about the MediaPipe Pose estimate with Google Library. You can simply report download from here, go to the folder, and just run the this command. Okay. So I think we go to the MediaPipe officially page Pose estimate. So you can use this reference from here. You can check it out the result. You easily use this type of MediaPipe library. This it is very real time and very fast test with YOLO v7 as compared to the v7. So let's start. I'm explaining some code of the MediaPipe CV2 computer vision library and MediaPipe, and here the some you can see the mention the MP drawing pose. Here the static images and convert into BGR to RGB, and one class of the draw the segmentation on the image, and also you can show the write the images and draw the poses of the images. Also you can write the your folder images folder. You create one folder images. So here they mention the camera. You can also coordinates full size, half size. You can also put the here. Then open the camera frame per seconds, convert into the one video file. Also improve the performance of the optical mark. You can write it and pass a reference and draw the pose, animation of the image, and last flip the image horizontally selfie display. So we go to the our window machine with any desk, connecting the any desk. You can see the connecting machine, and with the code you can see the ideally 3.9.13. So after connecting the machine, I am running the my algorithm uh, with the window platform. So it is very smoothness to run. Just install the MediaPipe and run the command, and you can get the result. It is taking 1 minute for the within seconds, sorry, not 1 minute, within seconds to connect the result. And you can check it out the MediaPipe files post estimate. You can see I will here the see check it out, the camera is open or not open. It is open within seconds. uh, you notice down the time delay, so it will be connected to the within seconds. You can check it out the pose estimate. So it is used in the many type of platforms in gym and other. Here you can see the result, and it's processing, not processing issue, it's internet issue. I have connected my window machine, so you can see the it is delay to be, it is real time, not be delay. You can check the all points of the body, and you can see the result. I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates.